battery in the thing, I don't think.
Who's that on there? That's Jack, is it? On the no, Simba. There's some more here. Oh, there's another two. One, that's maybe two, and there's a few on the stairs. Where's Lulu? Where are you, Lulu? No, she's not there. Lulu. Let's see if we can get a picture of Lulu going up the, doing her leap. Oh God, she's up there without even noticing. Bravo, Lulu, you got there. All these shiny eyes. Hello, who are you? Green eyes, wow. It's nearly time.
For?
Eating.
Well, here we go.
Where are you going?
I should just cancel the video because
Okay.
it's too complicated otherwise. Come on. Come on.
I'm coming back.
Come on, sweeties.
Oh, crash.
Well, Lulu, are you ready?
I missed Lulu. Yeah, she's there.
Your moles. Your Jack. Molly.
That's
Simba,
Sylvie.
Simba, you come with Peter. Come on.
I don't know who's missing. There must be somebody. I'm sure there's not 16 of them here. Oh, that's Simba.
Simba. I'll give you some good.
That's Chloé probably. Where's Fluffy? Fluffy, is she out?
Down she.
Oh, there she is. No, that's not. Yes, is that Fluffy? Yes, that's Fluffy. Oh, Fluffy. Tortie. Hi, Sam.
Black and white. Descend, sweetie. Here. Come on, black and white. You come down.
Hey, you too. Hey, Dizzy. You beauty. A pretty girl.
Yes, Petal, I know. Where are you? Yes, I know. Come on.
Look, Tinky. A picture. I haven't got a picture of Tinky. She's a beauty. Tinky eating. Tinky. Can't keep you off. Can't stop you, can we? There. Good girl. Hey, Buster. What have you got? You haven't got anything to eat. Buster.
Not yet.
What are you doing? You haven't got fleas. Pino, stay away from Tinks. All this video needs is a smell track.
I think that's about enough. Did you hear?
Yeah.
It's enough.
Oh, okay. Come on, say hello to me. Ah, that's a good girl. And you. Okay. And that's Lulu. Our shelf. Beautiful girl. Don't worry, Chloé, we haven't forgotten you.